Entering meal prep recipes into MyFitnessPal and tracking them can be a nightmare, but I've got a quick video here to show you a simple trick to do exactly that. So I've got a sample recipe here, which is, maybe 4 servings. So it's a cottage pie, which I love. So rather than trying to enter it in as a recipe or kind of entering in, the weighing it after cooking, what I prefer to do is enter all of the ingredients into a clear day. Okay, so once you've done this, so I've got 500 grams of mince, you can see here basically the recipe. Obviously I'm not going to eat the whole thing. So once this is done, all I need to do is click quick tools and remember that meal. Okay, so then I can type it in, cottage pie, and I can save that meal. I can make it a training meal, so I might want to label it like that. So once I've done this, and then I'll go to my current day, say, and then I can enter and track this meal. So say I've made it, and now I know that it's going to be 4 servings. So when I want to track this, all I have to do is come to add food, come down to meals, and then enter in cottage pie. Once I select that, I can select 0.25 because that's a quarter. Good math. Once I've done that, I can click enter and it will track obviously a quarter of that meal. Now, if I want to do it for a third, I can do it for 5 portions. I can do it for 2 portions. It doesn't matter, but now it's tracked and everything is entered in there really, really simply. So it just makes a simple way to track slightly larger meals that you're doing. Because when you're doing these things and weighing it after, it doesn't quite add up in terms of the weights. You might have put liquid in there, everything's kind of mashed up. So it's very, very challenging to do this. So I think this is a simple way, simple tip to be able to track accurately slightly larger meal prep recipes. Hope this helps.